Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat, honey, I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
When are you going to shave properly?
Why do I have to shave?
Your beard is not connecting on the side of your face.
That's why I'm leaving them here. I want them to connect by force. The only thing I'm shaving is my head.
Okay, Dlamini, whatever.
Why
Why don't you want to fetch the couple when I ask you? People like your thingy when you fetch the couple.
This is your job, please. No work.
I understand that, but why don't you want? You don't want my job. When I leave, what's Lee gonna do? Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. My scat, I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I got around asking couples questions.
Okay.
Yeah, so can we do a little quiz again?
Yes,
Yeah, pisana.
siyahamba nje sibethwa umoya. Yeah.
Why are you so formal? Interview?
No. Nansi, yeah.
Oh, okay. Follow, man. Just 5 questions. That's it. And it's simple questions.
I fast, yes.
Fast, ne?
Yeah.
Is that Ngapa Pinda? Where do you want us? The other side. Can you just come this side, ne? Sorry. But you didn't come closer, darlings. Okay, on my left, ne? So, okay, name, lady.
Sihle.
Sihle and?
Inga nam lona.
Can I call you Inga?
Ungacho.
Inga, you said the name is?
Sihle.
Sihle, okay. Inga.
Inga nam.
Okay, Inga,
Yeah,
darling. How long have you been with Sihle?
Yo, it's like 4 months.
4 months.
We started last year birthday yam.
Oh, okay.
Wayese nomngane wakhe epartini yami. Ngaqomba yo
Azomiyeka.
asoze kaloku ya.
Okay. Sihle, what is it that you like about you, Inga?
Jay, he looks handsome, like he's a hardworking guy, actually.
Oh, he's a hardworking?
No,
Okay.
yeah, he cares, and then, yeah.
Okay. Appearance-wise, what is it that you like about him?
Height.
Height.
Ngathanda abantu abade kakhulu.
Why?
No, it's too much for me.
Yeah, giraffe. Ufuneka baby ngoku.
But what about when you wear heels? Okay, when you wear heels, you're the same height as me.
Yeah, we are the same height.
Oh, that's perfect.
Abantu abanga heels. Uyakubona nje baby. Ubona aka heels apha la.
I know, I see. So what is it that you like about her?
Yonke into.
Everything.
Ngaphela imini okobe ndithetha. Yonke into nje.
Appearance-wise.
Kwanto.
Okay. Khawuthatha A1 ngalokho bulise A1.
Uyambona nje nana ngithanda yonke into. Yabo nasi standard siso esi. Kwanto nje uyambona nje nawe.
Okay, no, Dambon. Okay, but do you trust her then?
Yeah, ndimthembile.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
10. 10.1.
Is she? Oh gosh. Sihle, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust your man?
Yeah, well.
10.
Hey,
10.
waqala ucinga.
No, ngiyacabanga phela ukuthi like ayikho into akayenze shady ngasho ukuthi no awukazi shem.
Never. So in the 4 months you've been together, he hasn't done anything?
Like he's been loyal and trustworthy towards me, so yeah.
Okay, have you ever gone through his phone? Ever?
Yeah, I have.
Mm-hmm. What were you looking for?
Nothing. Oh, beshuthi ithombe yabo. Siphumile sashuthi ithombe.
Oh,
So like I
okay.
went through his gallery and then like ngafuna ukusenda ithombe zethu to efonini yami.
Okay.
Ngiyathanda post that like
Okay.
yabona nje.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
girl. I hear you. Have you ever gone through her phone?
No, I don't. Nah, I trust her. I don't like do that. Andiyenzi loo nto. Andiyenzi tu nto leyo nje.
Okay.
Andiyenzi loo nto.
Okay, guys. I will get straight to the point. Now, what we actually do on this show is that we make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps for like 1 minute. Yeah, would you guys be willing to do that?
What's the point?
To prove that you guys are not cheating on each other. So we're testing your loyalty, basically.
Sorry, ngengikwazi Nkosi yami.
Hayi, yami
Siyathembana,
ifoni nayo,
mina
yami
siyathembana, kodwa ngengikwazi.
Sihle, what's the problem?
Nothing. It's just that yabona nje I'm not comfortable uma umuntu eviewa ifoni yami yabo, like ifoni yami is privacy.
Hayi baby, nayo yami ifoni nakhona.
Okay.
Yami ifoni yayigofa yami ifoni nakhona ngaki.
Yeah, I go for all the time.
Yeah, there's nothing.
But we've never wondered why she's not willing to give you her phone.
I have never asked for a phone. Ngicela ifoni yakhe
awuceli.
hayi ngizoyenzani.
Namhlanje afuna uyijonga.
Wena sisi sesinqanile kodwa.
Ndiyaliva, but Sihle, you're acting shady.
Mina?
Yes.
No, I'm not acting shady.
Shady how? Kodwa le phone yakho.
Thena ngafuna iveze ifoni.
Nansi yami. Ndathatha yami. Yami akhona ngapha yayigofa nje. Oh, there's nothing wrong.
Yenzani ifoni yakhe ngiyayazi.
What I just said, kaloku you're going to go to his
Sihle
WhatsApp.
ixesha fanele ihambe. Sifuna sihambe kaloku we have to go. Ixesha.
Okay, mnike yakho ke Sihle. We'll start with his phone.
What's him?
You Sihle, what are you hiding on your phone?
Let your phone. Sifuna sihambe yawo.
Okay.
Sike emsebenzini.
Ngifake ifone number kothweni ke. Open your phone for us.
I was like,
Uyayazi nje ifoni yami iqhele uyigofa. Faka i password Sihle.
Oh, you know the password?
Yeah.
Okay, go to his WhatsApp. Okay, search ne. Type love you. What do you see?
Vela mina.
Yeah. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Vela mina.
Okay, it's about excited. We still need to check your phone, girl. Okay, delete.
Okay.
Type outside. Let's see who your man is fetching.
Ngifetcha yena.
Oh, it's
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Delete that.
Okay.
Type ebusuku. Yeah, son. Okay.
Lamini yalo.
Hi, delete.
Banzomvakashela.
Okay, type Iza. Delete.
It's offer oko le phone.
Type Akeko.
Ubani?
Exactly.
Ubani?
Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, delete that. Type babe. Yeah, son. Yeah, literally. Okay. Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type morning after pill.
Oh, like ngiyakhumbula like ngeke ngaba ne situation yabona.
Okay. It's fine as long as we're seeing you.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. Nothing. Okay. Hi, give your man his phone.
No, type ugqibe nawe. Hey.
Sicela ifoni yakho Sihle.
Oh my God.
Password,
Yeah,
passcode,
password.
dun.
Ubhuti lo yena weTimberland. Uhamba nawe.
You're funny.
Uzokwenzani yena?
Should protect the camera, shem kaloku this.
Okwenzakalayo lana hlazi like
So explain.
umuntu wakho, like
So explain.
uthanda, like we've been together like for months yabo. So
Hey. Oh, between. Are you not nervous? Think?
Antoni?
Mm.
Duke ndani? Type
Ukujongile ungadelete izinto ukujongile Sihle. Ndiyakubona ingathi ufuna. It's on WhatsApp already. I think she was trying to delete her chat.
Aye.
Okay, search. Type love you.
Love you. Okay. Love you bhala kanjani?
Hayi njani sana?
Ma ewe.
You.
Yeah. Iyakuvela mina la.
I hear.
Ngisithi love you inga, yeah.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type babe.
B. Yeah, ndim lowa. Akho nto nje lana. Hayi baby
Ndiyabona.
nifoni.
Hayi, you only said 2 words.
Hayi nifoni.
Delete, type miss you. Kasimele
Okay,
sihle.
yeah.
Vage biki. Vage biki my skat.
Ya kuvela mna ngibani lo ichomi yakhe le. Ya ichomi yakhe izilanto abayithumi na nechomi yakhe.
Ngubani wesibini kaloku? So kugwele abantu abayi-3, ne?
Makinaba bathathu ya. Ndim noSomila. Bani uphila. Ya.
Phila, go into the chat. Bani ukuziphila? Go into the chat, ngena ku-chat.
Okay.
Ukuphila uyaba uphile like
Bani uphila?
hey ngithini.
Sibona izinto apha
Sazana kathi phela sazana.
sibona izinto apha.
Njenga
There's flirting here.
flirting.
Nanku shayikho engawenzani ntoni? Zimanga.
Hayibo imasihle qhubeka ntoni apha ngo?
Between you and uphila. Go into media.
Nothing is going on.
Hayibo nayi mihlolo.
No, ayikhaza akazi kozala.
Yima. Uyahleka nohleka.
Okay, ingane awusithini. Mina nophila yabo kade sazana yabo.
And?
Like bese abangani.
And?
Sazana kudala.
We want
Ya
an
kwathi kwathini
explanation.
emva koko
Because
kwathini?
this is
Like
flirting.
uyihlobo sami like ngesibongo.
Isihlobo. Yamara nisendela like i-pictures zakho like yini le? Umhlobo njani lo? No buka.
Okay, is meeting okay
No ucacisa.
Takwis?
mina nophila ngiyachaza nje ukuthi like sazana kudala.
Qacisa
what does
dala
that have to do with you
kanjani?
sending
Dala
proofs?
kanjani?
Thetha, uthela kathethi.
Niyakhumbulana
Awukathethe.
bendibene ebusuku. Yonke lento nje.
Uphila uhlezi ekhona njalo mangidinga umuntu ethi uzamhleze ekhona wena awuhlezi ungekho uhlezi emsebenzini angazi ulibelwe yini emsebenzini nakhona nemali uhola imali encane uthi mina ngeze njalo mali le.
Yamara nihlezi ndingekho ndenza imisebenzi emininzi.
Imali,
Khona ukuze
imali
nikwazi ukuprovide
yakhona.
kubani obhatala irent yakho. Irent yakho. Khokhela irent yakho.
Last month ikhokhile ayikhokha uphila ubekhona angikhokheli phila ngoba ehleze khona wena ubikho yes uba khona nje angazi nini mase kwenze njani uyakhona uma uvela usukhathele uthi ngenze njani makunjalo ngoba uyazi angisebenzi wena usebenza
Thena ungasebenzi sihle.
angisibonanga isidingo sokusebenza wona
Mawusebenzi because unamadoda kaloku wena ne.
Sihle no.
Unophila. Unoinga wena. That's why ungasebenza
Senza
ngithi.
ngamadoda sihle.
cha hayi akho njalo
Headphones zami let headphones zami let with.
no
With.
So you done? Iyaphela relationship ink.
No ngisafuna explanation.
Andiva le explanation.
No ngicela ama headphones ami nefoni yami le ibithengwe ndimi le yawuhlala kum.
Sorry ke.
Othufebe.
Angeke.
Othufebe.
Uthufuna
Othufebe.
Guys.
Headphones zami.
Ifoni yami ingane ufuna ukuthi ukuthi ufuna yami.
Ithini ngibani?
Uthi mina ngizokhuluma kanjani nabantu ababelekile.
Nophila.
Yebo ubalekile empilweni yami. Uphile. Ngiyamdinga.
Awungithathi serious wena.
Wena ungathathi serious, tshaka nje lo msebenzi owenzayo, uthola umsebenzi oright, onemali.
Yamara nizame
So uphila nomsebenzi oright onemali.
Unemali phela.
Oh.
Umuntu abathanda.
Okay yakuphila ne usikhosisa susa lento susa headphones zami yebo uye kuphila ne angithengele ezinye
Ifoni izomnika
akaziva iphone
iSIM card yakhe ke
Ngiyayidinga ifoni but ifoni ngiyayidinga.
izothonga ngiphila kaloku you safe.
Uphila. Angifuna ukumqaka kakhulu entweni eningi. Ifoni yami le but ngothi ifoni yami.
akaziva le phone
Akazoyiva le.
sisi yo ngicela headphones zami ndohlukana nawe ndihambe yabo
Sorry ngeke uyithole ke but ngeke uyithole.
If angamniki headphones will you give her the phone?
hayi yami le phone to imali yami le
Okay.
this is my money this
Bese
one
mina ngenze njani?
angeni indawo ngenaphi mina
Uzongena ke. Wathatha ifoni yami uyangena phakathi.
Inside.
Yes, phakathi.
Guys,
yafeba lo muntu endakabonakalisa remorse kuxolisa kuzithoba or anything
Ini ngikose ini? La ngikhona ngihappy. Ngihappy.
Do you happy, son?
Enqa ngizothini? Ngiyavala ngawe.
yini oyivalayo
isikhala.
Cha kusisikhala nje ngiyavala nje ngoba ngendlela ubunga ugqoka ngakhona uba ngathi uphezulu cha. uphansi bhuti wami.
Ndigqoka kanje cause ndiyasebenza for mna nawe.
Usebenza kuphi? Lo msebenzi obheda kanje?
Oh uyabheja ngoku. Mara nansi ndakuthengela ifoni lo msebenzi wami lo.
Le phone ngalidama amamatsi ukuze ngiyithole.
Ngiyasave kalo. Awuphangeli nje emfondini.
Hayibo ngintombazane mina fanga neso njengentombazane yabo ephithekayo.
Asisi.
Ngiphathiswe kweqanda.
Angifuna hayi. Ayizilibazisa.
Okay, Xolo.
Okay.
Hamba ke hamba.
Uyamosha nje nawe
Hamba,
nje.
sorry, I'm sorry. You can leave. Do you need transport, Sisihle?
Transport.
Transport yantoni ngoku?
To go back home?
Yeah.
Kaloku, you've taken her phone, so even if she could request...
Okokuqala ubhuti lo. Njalo mangifuka ezinye indawo ukuba nzima cause ngihamba ama taxi and ngithanda indawo eziphezulu Nkosi yami ngithanda.
Sendilo
Yeah.
bhuti lo manje.
Usubhuti manje, usuyibhuti manje. Yabo manje ngeke sisi wami.
Okay.
Kuze lento iyenzeke. Kuze mina naye sihlukane yabo. Ngathele uyena kana mali ubroke uzenza ngathi uhleze sonta.
Oh, yasonda bhuti.
Uhleze xesha ngeBhayibheli nanani mina Nkosi yami.
That's why ngingafiki because ndiyasonta mina. Indoda enkonzo.
Okay.
Angazi bengenzani la.
Okay, my scat, I'm so sorry, ne? So the relationship is done?
Yeah, umsebenzi wakho moslo wandithi. Yeah.
Masambe silamnika sifone no phone. Masambe phila. Sihle you.
Inda.
Hayi.
Yo.
Hamba nabo. Sathi ifoni zami. Hamba nabo. Bathe bokurequestela.
But really, but uzohamba ngantoni, honestly?
Angeni ndawo mina. Angeni ndawo.
Phela nemoto.
Nemoto.
But do you know his number? Do you know his number?
Yes.
Mfoneleni phela.
Sapha
Sithe uyayazi number yakhe.
Ngithembisa yona.
Inamba uyayazi number. Biza inamba. Indoda yakho uyayazi number yakhe.
Yeah. Yayazi by off by heart, ne? Bekof.
Wazi number yakhe na futhi.
Emergency
Ithini
content.
yami number?
Idina yakhe number.
Emergency u10311 emergency yani leyo.
Yeah, mama ngifuka ukufonela nakhona ngisuke ngibuke efonini angiyazi.
So ekaphila uyayazi number.
Hloko.
Uyayazi ekaphila number.
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute. Hey. Awuyasothusa Sihle.
Cha ukuthi nje asesiyo type yabo so. Hello?
Phila, yo.
Hello? Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngikho lima ngiphila. Phila.
Ngathi phila yakuchithela naye. Liyakufanele uphila. Kuyakufanele uphila.
Phila ubade khuluma njengamanje.
Sisi babayini. Awenja.
Bayade khuluma la phone.
Awenja.
Uphila ungangibizi ngobaby ubayade khuluma manje.
Sisi kangikhuleli yazo mina ngishiyeni into lezi.
Phila angifuni ukuthukuthela angifuni. Phila ubalade khuluma manje efonini. Ubala ntombazana.
Wena phila sohlangana.
Usisi wakho la. The last time I checked uthe wena unasisi nje. Wow Phila sengishaya isifuba ngawe kanje manje sengibona ngathi Phila ungenza kanje Phila.
Nikubhuti ifoni yakhe, nikubhuti umbhedo lomphila wakho nje umbhedo.
Phila ungenza kanje Phila yonke into enginikela ngayo kuyo Phila. Ngize ngathi ngizomnyeka inami.
Ngicela ngikhule ndihambe.
So, Chia, this is awkward. Dlamini, let's go.
Sawa. Ikhonethe.
Uyashiyeka.
Ayikho.
We'll only intervene if he hits her. He's not hitting her. We'll request for her after the show if she needs, but
Uyidinga ngoba nophila ujiki. Awuzuyidinga.
what the fuck just happened?
Abethembele khona kuhambe wrong.
What the fuck just happened?
Dlala ngomuntu oright, ophandayo.
Ophandayo, ombhatalela irent, omthengela ifoni.
Yeah, for the fact ukuthi ulinde i3 months for iphone, it doesn't mean anything.
Izile
At the end of the day,
eventually.
utholile.
And he's paying for your rent. So what's the problem? Hindon lesikuya.
Umkhomela ngeboyfriend wakhe enamathende emali. Yenza manje. Kwavele waphendula intombazane.
Damn, that was cold. Kabili, let's wrap. I think I've had enough.
Asambe man.
Yeah.
Still have a long day.
We still I'm diyagoduka mna khafu tak.
Ngeke sana. So buphinde yenze onto. Uthe.
Shamini, why don't you want to present the first half?
No.
What is Lee going to do when I leave?
Umlungu uzobona iplan mohamba.
But you don't want to take the spot.
No, I don't
Exactly. Yeah, but okay, guys, stop shouting in my ear and stop
don't
being
want
on
the
my
spot.
neck. Dlamini doesn't like presenting. Because I see your comments. Yeah, Dlamini must present. He doesn't want to.
Msebenzi
Akafuni.
wakho, this is your job. Nami wami lo ngenza la.
But I'm leaving soon.
Kusho ba?
What do you mean, Kushaba?
Kusho ba?
Kusho mna?
You leaving where? Uya kuphi?
Soon.
Where are you going?
I'm leaving CMTV.
Uyaphi?
It doesn't matter.
Exactly my point. You're not going anywhere. Yabona mina nawe iCMTV iboyfriend yethu sishadile. CMTV umfazi wami kuwena indoda yakho. CMTV.
No, because you know what?
Lily, you're not going anywhere. Singalosikhoslisana nabantu, you're not going anywhere.
Okay.
There's a comment I saw bathi Mrs Dlamini wena wathi njani?
That's hayi njani?
Wathi hayi njani? Ngithi mina how? Nangu into engifika ku Facebook.
Did you comment?
I commented ngithi mina Lily undiphika njani ebantwini? Undiphika njani?
But I'm sendilanga mali. You need to seal
Ah,
the
okay,
mali
Peter, Sam.
phambili. Mali phambili bafazi pa. That is an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ and do I saw and follow me on Facebook. It's fine.
But let's talk about postile Lisa here ngibona amanye ama likes anzima kabi. Instagram.
Someone said it's AI. That was not an AI
Yeah, no, it was not.
photo. I don't do
Ayingo.
AI photos. Sanusinyatsa xa ingathi sibahle kakhulu.
Instagram welcome
Thank you.
_Dlamini 88 ngiyabonga.
Ndikwa
TikTok
finished.
it's welcome Dlamini, Facebook welcome Dlamini, danko siyabonga.
Thank you so much.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.